If you don't like feeling sluggish but still push through your day, then listen up. You could be missing essential vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are the unsung heroes of your body's health. They boost your immune system, energy levels, mood, and even your skin. When you're low on them, your body sends out SOS signals. Feeling tired and weak, you could be low on iron, vitamin B12 or vitamin D. Noticing hair loss or brittle nails? Check your biotin and zinc levels. Muscle cramps or twitching? You might need more magnesium, calcium or potassium. Poor night vision? Vitamin A could be the missing link. Frequent infections? Look into your vitamin C and zinc intake. Mood swings and cognitive issues? Omega-3s, vitamin B6 and folate are key players here. To keep your body in top shape, eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, veggies, whole grains and lean proteins. And if needed, talk to a healthcare professional about supplements, listen to your body's signals and stay healthy.